Hello. This is my very first video about my app. I'm building an app to automate Google Docs. So in this video, I'm going to share you why I'm building this app and how I got this idea. So let's start. So this starts when I was working with one of my client where I was automating their Google Docs, and for that I built a very crazy make automation, like with too much complexity, too much conditions. So it was like very complex, and I come from a development background, like a software engineer background. So it was uh, less difficult for me compared to non-tech people. So I managed to build it, but while building that I knew that this is a complex setup and this could be simplified, but I didn't bother at that time, like to like fully, I didn't have a fully developed idea. Later I found that there is a demand for such problem where people are looking for such solution where they can simplify this process. Although there are some already application like Zapier, Anatan, and Make, they do provide to build and automate the Google Docs, but in order to build a complete flow you require um, expertise in those tools, and with those expertise you need to also come up with your logics and all the complexity that requires in that application. So there is a very steep learning curve, and I found some solutions there were like solving exactly this same problem in a way that simplifies the complexity. And in that time I got the idea, like, okay, there is a demand for this type of solution, and there are some apps that are solving this problem. So I tried those apps, and but then I found, okay, they are still complex even though they are separate apps and dedicated to solve this specific problem of automating a Google Doc, but they in themselves are introducing more complexity. So I thought I could try to reduce complexity as much as possible, and for that I wanted to take a shot and let's see if I can improve at least 1%, reduce 1% of complexity. It's been a 6 months I've been working on this application on the weekends and whenever I get some free time. Now is a time where I have deployed this app for the testing, for beta testing. So I wanted to make it public so you can also test and try out if it's a, like, to try out and see if it's a simple solution and it does solve the problem. And yeah, that's the whole idea. I'm sharing this video with you, and I will continue sharing this video like whenever I add new functionality or improves and add more features to it. Like, I will keep you updated with the all the development updates. So be tuned and I'll come up with another video. Thank you.